Hi, I'm Eóin Parkinson from Queen's University Belfast, and over the course of the next few minutes, I want to talk to you about archaeology and paleoecology at Queen's University Belfast, and a little bit about the work that we do here. So, archaeology is a subject that is almost unique in its capacity to consider the vast scope of the human experience in all place and all time. And because of that, it's a very interdisciplinary field that draws on lots of different things. For example, anthropology, whenever we consider and try to study human societies. In societies where we have written records, we draw on a bit of history. We deal with visual sources all the time, so there's a little bit of art history in there. And we're also really concerned with human relationships with the natural world. So we also draw on things like geography, geology, and ecology. And this last point is really important for Belfast because Queen's University Belfast is a world leader in paleoecology. So that's the study of ancient environments. And here we merge that with archaeology. At Queen's, archaeology and paleoecology is part of the School of Natural and Built Environment. And that really embodies this cross-disciplinary approach. Students here are exposed to a really diverse academic environment that also includes architecture, civil and structural engineering, geography and planning. Now I want to talk a little bit about some recent research that's happened at Queen's, which I feel embodies this rich interdisciplinary approach. Whilst I was an undergraduate student at Queen's, I had the opportunity to get involved in an international research project that tried to investigate the social and economic context of prehistoric monument building on the Maltese Islands. So this is a small island chain right in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. And from about 5,700 to 4,300 years ago, the Maltese Islands were the setting of a really sophisticated tradition of monument building that is completely unique in world prehistory. And this project, the Fraxis project, sought to understand what role these monuments might have had in sustaining life on a very small, restricted and marginal environment. Now I think it's worth thinking about the importance of monuments. Monument building is entirely unique to our species, and monuments are heavily imbued with a deep sense of time and with deep symbolism. And in the world today, there are many enduring human-made structures that have the capacity to define an entire nation or an entire part of the world. So these structures play a really important role in human societies, both past and present. And whenever we look at the Maltese case study and the research that was led by Belfast that involved interdisciplinary and international collaboration with colleagues from Malta, Spain, England and Ireland, this project undertook excavation, archaeological survey and environmental survey to understand places in the landscape and how that environment changed. Following fieldwork, a range of experts undertook scientific analysis of artefacts, pottery, stone tools and ecofacts, so plant and animal remains to reconstruct things like diet, and also analysis of human remains to understand past lifestyles. And by bringing all of this information together, this project was able to show that these monuments played a really key role in the resilience of these early societies against environmental change and resource pressure. And these are fundamentally important issues that we have to deal with in the world today. So it actually shows us that we have so much to learn from the past. And this research was published through 3 volumes over the last 3 years that again dealt with these areas of strength at Queen's Belfast. So a book covering landscapes and paleoecology, a book on excavation, archaeology and chronology, and then a book looking at human bioarchaeology and the study of human remains. These are all available online, free, open access and available to download. Thinking more broadly, archaeology at Queen's is international, collaborative and impactful. We will be hosting the European Association of Archaeologists Conference in 2022 with over 2,000 archaeologists coming to Belfast to present their research. Our Chrono Centre is an international leader in the fields of radiocarbon dating and environmental research, And our Centre for Community Archaeology demonstrates the social and economic impacts of cultural heritage through collaboration with local communities. So I just want to end by saying thank you very much for listening. If you're interested to find out a little bit more about our degree programmes, please scan the QR code and hopefully see you in Belfast. Bye.